Once and for all, KLM Royal Dutch Airlines Flight 1151 slash and Airbus A380 Flight 64 is now taking off from Sydney to Amsterdam for KLM, and then Airbus A380 is Sydney to Abu Dhabi. Apparently, they're taking off in shortly. Ashton, take the plane off. Take the plane off. It's this way. Oh my God.
Oh, you lost your passenger.
The plane might crash if you put it on the tail.
Oh. Where can I put it?
The struggling of KLM Royal Dutch Airlines is flying from Sydney to Amsterdam. G201 are now flying for the wheel. The alarm goes off as soon as the alarm. The plane was metal for the A380 to crash, but the Airbus A380 is meddling. KLM is stronger. Oh my God, no! We're crashing into those trees. Oh no! Oh no! We lost the KLM logo. Oh no! Oh no! An engine fell. Landing gear down. Oh my God! No! The KLM plane begins to shake, but I don't think it'll make it to the airport at all. Someone else! No! Oh my God! I think we're gonna crash into the dirt again. Oh no!
Oh no, I'm gonna crash. I'm just doing like this.
Oh my God, no. Oh my God. Oh my. No. Help me, KLM. The KLM model is actually crashed. Incredibly, the KLM plane temporarily smashed onto dirt, but 2 pilots were badly injured. Many passengers are badly injured. They opened the cabin doors. Luckily, no one survived. Luckily, there were 97 deaths and many survivors.
Guys, you need help.
Go home. A model aircraft is flying down low speeds. China Airlines is actually flying on speed, but we don't think will help you at all. China Airlines is responsible for the Sky Team. And even Airbus A380 started to stop. The KLM model has rushed wings and then afforded more. China Airlines A330 was recommended for you. The hold of its own. The Airbus A380 can come out so fastly. The flight of lost control was evened by a controller. The plane was called investigators. Now they're trying to get back to the KLM. The KLM plane temporarily smashes like China Airlines. Even Taipei, they recommended, crashed beside the runway in the river. in the dirt bank beside the runway. Stop making noises. The landing gears didn't come down because there was something wrong with the electricity.
Good start.
Okay, bye.